Is your fridge suddenly making strange noises? Buzzing, clicking, rattling, humming? Don't worry. In this quick 3D guide, I'll show you 7 real reasons why your fridge is noisy and how to fix each one before calling a technician. Let's start with the most shocking reason. Reason 1. A dirty condenser fan. When dust builds up, the fan starts hitting debris, causing loud buzzing or vibrating sounds. Solution: clean the fan blades, remove dust, and check if anything is touching the blades. Sometimes it's not the fridge, it's just a loose panel. When the compressor runs, the vibration makes screws rattle loudly. Solution: tighten all rear screws. It takes only 1 minute, but solves 30% of noise complaints. If you hear a deep humming or knocking sound, the compressor may be struggling. It's normal for compressors to make sound, but if the sound becomes louder than usual, the compressor is under load. Solution: check airflow, spacing, and overloading inside the fridge. Tick, tick, tick. That's the sound of ice hitting the evaporator fan. This happens when a fridge is overfilled or has a defrost problem. Solution: turn off the fridge. Let it defrost for 4 to 6 hours. Restart. In most cases, noise disappears instantly. A failing evaporator fan makes a high-speed whirring sound. If the sound increases when you open the fridge door, this is the issue. Solution: replace the fan motor. It's affordable and easy. Many people miss this simple reason. If your fridge is touching the wall or a cabinet, vibrations turn into loud noise. Solution: move it just 1 inch forward and the noise magically reduces. Sometimes the noise is from the drain tray under the fridge. When the compressor runs, the tray vibrates and creates a rattling or dripping sound. Solution: secure the tray and check the water line for loose fitting. Dirty fan, loose screws, compressor noise, ice hitting fan motor fault, fridge touching wall, drain tray noise. These 7 reasons cover almost 95% of fridge noise problems. And that's your complete quick 3D guide. If your fridge is still noisy after trying these fixes, the compressor or internal fan may need professional repair. Like and subscribe for more daily 3D appliance repair videos. Simple, fast, and easy to understand.